Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon for baby. Preparing salmon for your little one is a wonderful way to introduce healthy fats and protein. Always choose wild-caught salmon when possible, as it generally has lower mercury levels. Ensure it's cooked to an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Most importantly, meticulously remove all bones and skin to prevent any choking hazards. Introduce it as a single food initially. There are several simple ways to prepare salmon for your baby, ensuring it's tender and easy to eat. Baking is a popular choice. Try baking at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Steaming is another excellent method, preserving nutrients and moisture, taking around 10 to 12 minutes. Poaching in a small amount of water or broth also yields a very soft texture. Remember to keep seasonings minimal for your baby's developing palate. Once cooked, how you serve salmon depends on your baby's age and developmental stage. For younger babies just starting solids, a smooth puree mixed with breast milk or formula works well. As they grow and develop their pincer grasp, you can flake the salmon into tiny, soft pieces. Mixing it with other pureed vegetables like sweet potato or avocado also adds variety and nutrients. Always supervise your little one during meals. Introducing salmon to your baby's diet offers numerous health benefits. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain and eye development. Salmon also provides excellent quality protein, essential for your baby's rapid growth and muscle development. Furthermore, it's a natural source of vitamin D, supporting strong bones and a healthy immune system. This nutrient-dense fish is a fantastic addition to their diet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.